Hi, I'm Marva Bennett with Remax Posh Properties. I am a realtor that's doing a property tour for Scott Felder Homes. I've started, believe it or not, in the master bedroom because they got unique features everywhere. And one of the things I want you to know that this particular Scott Felder neighborhood is in the colony at Riverside. And they actually have walking trails that are close to the Colorado River. They're very convenient to downtown Bastrop. Now, I know about the growth of Bastrop because my family is from this area. And it was a great opportunity to see Scott Felder Homes because they are a 12-time award winner for Builder of the Year. And late last 2019 was with the Austin Homeowners Association. But this particular neighborhood of the colony at Riverside is going to have, the amenity center is finished with the pool, the walking trails. But the most important thing, what I'm excited about, is what they do with these homes in terms of options. Now, the model that I'm going to show you, there is one at 105 Johnston that is just like it, but this one is furnished to show you the choices of amenities. This is the master bedroom, and yet it has a window seat, and it has a bookshelf. Not just on this side, but also on the other side of that particular window. This particular master bedroom, of course, has a great master suite. And I just want to show you that this master suite has a double walk-in closet. And that double walk-in closet is so large that there's a bench in it. But most importantly, let's get to that area that everybody wants to know about. They want to know about the bedrooms. This is a 4-bedroom home, and as I said, this is the master, and I showed you the window seat, but I want you to see also this unique patio that you can get that has a fireplace. Right now, this particular living room area, which is very expansive, looks into a beautiful kitchen area with lights. I really like the way that they carve out the overhang associated with the island in the kitchen. You can see from here that they have lights above the cabinets. They have lights under the cabinets. They also have a great way of highlighting their dining area. This particular 4-bedroom home that has 3 full baths has what's referred to as a flex space. They do a great job with walls as options here. They have high ceilings, 12 feet. They have some that are 10 feet. But the wall treatments that they do in these areas, this is the flex room. They turn this flex room into like a den. There is another option where they turn the flex room into more where you can have a study area. And that's just based on how you select the furniture for whoever you're going to be, what choices the way your family is going to be living. Again, I'm Marva Bennett with Remax Posh Properties. I do know new construction, whether you're picking a lot or inventory. And I want you to know that Scott Felder is a great builder. And they have this neighborhood that is actually in Bastrop, a growing area. This is really only 20 minutes from the Austin Bastrop Airport. And for those of you who move around in Austin a lot, 20 minutes isn't very long. So if you travel and you get tired of traveling to a big city and you want to come to a nice quiet neighborhood where they have walking trails, and they have done a phenomenal job. Scott Felder's done a phenomenal job with these land. This is a 65-foot lot. They have 80-foot lots coming, and those will be the ones that will be closer to the amenity center. So if you're interested at all in seeing what the colony at Riverside has to offer with Scott Felder Homes, give me a call. Marva Bennett, Remax Posh Properties. I can be reached at 512-431-6390. And I'd love to talk to you about a 4-bedroom, 2,408 square foot home that they have in inventory that right now is only $336,000. Give me a call.